Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to connect Spaceship domain to your Shopify store. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do here is to log into our Shopify account. Okay, so let me just close this section. And then after that, just go to the settings and proceed to your domains. Okay, so just click on settings and go to your domains. Okay, so right here, the next thing that you are going to do is to click on the connect existing domain. That's right. And then you just have to type it right here, the name of your domain. Okay, so for example, this one, and then click on next after that. So the Shopify will show you the DNS records you need to add in Spaceship. So we have this one right here. All right. So we have the A record and the C name. So for this one, I think we're just going to use the A record. So after that, we're just going to proceed to our Spaceship account. Okay, so right here, you just have to log in and then go to the Launchpad and you'll be able to see here the domain manager. So click on the domain manager. All right, and then after that, just click on your domain. Okay, so here you have the name servers and DNS. You just have to click on it. That's right. And then click on the advanced DNS. Okay, so once you're here, the next thing that you are going to do is to add a new record. So click on the add a record and then select the a record. That's right. And then here, just going to type out the value of the a record. So go back here on Shopify and then we have this one. Okay, so you just have to copy this one, then go back to Spaceship and then you just have to paste it right here. Okay, and then click on add after that. Next is the C name. Okay, so for the C name, just have to click on the add record and then select the C name. That's right. And then just type it out. And then after that, go back here and then copy this one. Okay, so for the C name, the type is www. So let me just remove this one, www, and then paste it right here. After that, click on the add option. Okay, so once you're done, just have to go back to Shopify and then verify your actions. Okay, so just go back to Shopify and then we just have to click on the I updated my DNS. All right, so once verified, your Spaceship domain will be connected to your Shopify store, and visitors who go to your domain will see your shop live. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.